Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use GasBuddy. So if you're new to the app and want to save money on fuel while finding the best gas prices near you, just follow along. First, download the GasBuddy app from the App Store or Google Play Store and sign into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can create a free account in just a few minutes. And once you're on the home screen, allow the app to access your location. This helps GasBuddy show nearby gas stations along with their current fuel prices. You can browse the list or use the map view to compare prices at different stations in your area. Tap on any station to see more details including fuel types, station amenities, operating hours, and recent price updates submitted by other users. If you're planning a trip, you can also search for gas stations in another city by using the search bar at the top of the app. One of the most popular features is the GasBuddy Pay card. If you have one, you can link it to your account and use it at participating gas stations to save money on eligible fuel purchases. Some users may also have access to gas-back rewards and other promotions directly in the app. GasBuddy also lets you report gas prices. If you notice that the price at a station has changed, tap on the station, select Report Prices, and enter the current fuel prices. This helps keep the information accurate for everyone using the app. You can also save your favorite gas stations, track your fuel purchases, view your savings history, and receive alerts when prices drop nearby. So that was how to use GasBuddy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.